Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth video of the single cylinder engine assembly series. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notifications related to this channel. For those who missed out the videos of piston head, connecting rod and connecting rod cover, I have mentioned the link in description box, so you can watch it from there. So today we are going to create the fourth part of this assembly, that is camshaft. Go to file, click new, select path and then click OK. So set the unit in centimeters. I'm gonna select the right plane. I'm gonna click on sketch. Now the first thing we are gonna do is to make the main shaft. For that I'm gonna make a circle first. Now using smart dimension, I'll give the dia as 2 centimeters. Alright, now go to features, click on extruded pose. Here in direction 1 I'll give it 7.5 and I'll reverse the direction from here. Alright, in direction 2 I'll give it 12.5 centimeter. Okay. Now go to right plane and click on sketch. I will make it normal. Okay, now what we are going to make is the cam. So for that I'm going to sketch a circle again and one more circle at this point, a small one. Now from the arcs select 3-point arc and now we'll connect these both circles like this. Alright, now using smart dimension, I'll keep the dimension. This will be 2.4. The small circle which we made will be 1 centimeter in dia and the radius of this circle will be 1.6. I mean the arc. The radius of that arc is 1.6 and this arc will be 4 centimeters. Okay. Now using trim entities, we are going to trim all extra lines. So select trim to closest and trim all these lines. Alright. Now we'll add relation that these two arcs are tangent. Actually we want all these arcs to be tangent to each other. So we'll add relation for every arc combination from here. Okay, the final one, this arc and this arc will be tangent. Okay, now we got our sketch fully defined. Now go to features, click on extruded pose and from here I'll keep the width of the cam to be 1.5 and top of this direction 1 you can see is from. So from I will select offset and I'll give the offset dimension as 1.5 again, so that my cam is created at an offset of 1.5. Alright, now we want one more cam. Before that I'll edit this feature. Please deselect this merge result. Okay, So go to mirrors and mirror face or plane. I'll select the right plane, and the feature we are gonna do is okay. Now it's showing an error just because I haven't selected geometry pattern, and click on all bodies. Okay, now I'll show you what we have created from the right plane view. Okay, both the cams we have created are pointing in the same direction. Actually, we want one of the cams to be at a different angle so that our valves will not open, both the valves will not open at the same time. We want both the valve timing to be different. So for that, go to features, click on insert. Okay, from insert go to features, and from here click on move or copy. Alright, now we'll select one of the bodies, and I selected this cam, and here we are gonna rotate it. Okay, for rotating it we want a temporary axis. So for that I'll create a temporary axis by clicking here, view temporary axis. Okay, now you can see the temporary axes are created. So I'm gonna select this axis here. So click on rotate. Now we'll select this axis. Okay, now we'll give the degree as 90. Alright, click OK. Now I'll show you the view from the right side. See, one of our cams are rotated at an angle of 90 degrees. Alright, we are done with that part. Now go to top plane, make it normal. Now I want one more plane. For that I'm gonna click on plane from reference geometry, and in first reference click on top plane, and I want it at a distance of 1 centimeter. Alright, now click on that plane which you have created just now and click on sketch, and I'll make the sketch normal. Alright, now we want a slot here. So for that click on slots, straight slot. Okay, so now just make the slot here. Alright, now using smart dimension we'll give the dimension that this radius is 0.40 and the distance between these 2 points of the slot will be 2 centimeters. Okay. Now distance from this point to this, that will be 0.80. Okay, we got the slot ready. Now go to features, click on extruded cut. We are gonna cut this slot, and here we'll give the depth as 0.40. Alright, so our camshaft is ready. If you liked this video, then please do hit the like button and let me know your suggestions in comment box. I am Deepthi Matthew. Thanks for watching.